Welcome to the Upper Rio Grande Floodplain Data Survey video guide. This application was designed to gather community feedback on the flood data and issues of concern for the Upper Rio Grande Region 14 floodplain. The application enables you to submit data and observation within 4 different categories. This includes flood-prone areas, critical infrastructure or resources, existing infrastructure, and proposed flood mitigation projects. The map navigation tools are located on the upper left side of the page. The tools consist of a zoom in and zoom out tool with the addition of an extend tool to return to full map view. For the Find My Location tool, it allows the map to pin in your current location. Make sure you have enabled your location access to the web page. A search tool is also included to input your location. The legend tool will show all visible symbology of the map. The last tool is the Base Map Gallery tool. This allows you to select any map type option. This includes imagery, hybrid, streets, topographic, and more. The 4 data layer categories are located on the toolbar on the right. Clicking the question mark icon on the top right of the page will display the About the Data Survey window. From here, you could access a detailed user guide as well as the Region 14 planning website and the full survey. Before submitting an observation, you could click on the information icon on each of the 4 layers to see their description. Flood-prone areas include areas that have been observed to flood during a storm event such as streets, yards, or creeks. Critical infrastructure or resources. This includes community critical facilities that are impacted by flash flooding or river flooding, such as hospitals, schools, emergency shelters, police, and fire station. For existing infrastructure, this includes any existing constructed flood control infrastructure such as dams, levees, culverts, bridges, canals, and pump stations. For proposed flood mitigation projects, this include any planned or under construction flood control projects. Most of the features will give you the opportunity to insert either a point, line, or area that can help determine specific areas of interest. How to submit an observation. To start submitting an observation, select the category and feature type that best represents your observation. For 3 of the 4 categories, features can be added as a point, line, or area. When adding a feature later, the application will automatically select the appropriate drawing mode. This could be a point, a line, or an area, based on the feature type you selected. For the flood-prone area category, all features are input as areas, so the application will not show the feature type selection option. For this video, we will show the process of submitting a flood-prone area. Once you have selected the flood-prone area layer, click on the Submit Observation option to begin. A short questionnaire will appear depending the category selected. In this case, the questionnaire for flood-prone areas will appear. The application will include questions such as location, details of observation, and submitter information. To add an observation, start by typing your address in the search bar, or use the Find My Location feature. Once you have located your area of interest, draw the feature on the map representing your observation. Again, the application will automatically select the appropriate drawing mode. This could be a point, line, or area based on the feature type. For this example, an observed flood-prone area will be drawn. Start by clicking the first set point of your area in the map. Continue drawing your area by adding more set points and complete by double-clicking the end of your point of your area. If any mistakes are made, click on the area created and start again. A similar process will be followed for points, lines, and areas. For additional help drawing features, refer to the user guide linked in the About the Survey window by clicking the question mark icon on the top right of the page. After drawing in your location, start filling out the description of the flood-prone area in the description field. Here, we will write a brief description of the observed data. For the flood risk type field, use the Select tab to select the best option of your flood-prone area type. The available options included are Arroyo, Riverine, Urban, Local, Playa, and Other. For the flood event details field, list as much information possible about the flood event time, duration, or amount expressed as a month, day, year, length of time, or estimated precipitation amount in inches. If you have any suggested potential correction measures for the area that you think may help mitigate flood impacts, you may add those notes to the next field. The following 4 questions are the submitter information details. Please include any name, association, phone, or email. If you would like to be contacted for any additional question, please make sure to mark yes or no from the Select tab. You have also the option to display your reported observation on the map. Select yes or no from the Selection tab. Lastly, you have the option to attach any attachments of the flood-prone area. We encourage you to add any photos that show the flooding issue in detail, such as extensive flooding or high water marks. Attachments such as photos and any other desired files can be added by clicking the Browse button. Once you've selected the Browse option, a window will appear. Search for the desired file and click Open to attach. For this example, we have a photo of a flood-prone area from El Paso, Texas. Click on the picture and then click the Open button. The file will attach once you see the Attach File or Picture under the Browse button. For any category questionnaire input information guidance, please refer to the user guide located on the About the Survey window. This could be found by clicking the question mark icon on the top right of the page. So once all the required information is entered, the observation could be submitted. If there's any other information missing, an error message will appear. If you have selected the option to display your observation on the map, your recent observation will be displayed and saved under the featured layer. You can also select and click any previous observation area to view, comment, or like. This concludes the explanation on how to submit an observation. For any other explanation on the Upper Rio Grande Floodplain Data Survey, please refer to any of the links down in the description. Thank you.